Hey, welcome. Today we're gonna walk through a model home here in Easton Parks with Perry Homes. Let's take a look at this breathtaking 3,491 square foot home featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a spacious 3-car garage. This is just one of many thoughtfully designed floor plans offered by Perry Homes, known for their quality of craftsmanship and modern design, with a variety of layouts to suit different lifestyles. Located in the heart of Easton Park, this home is a part of a vibrant master plan community that blends modern living with natural beauty. Spanning over 2,000 acres, Easton Parks offers miles of scenic trails, lush green spaces, resort-style amenities, and a strong sense of community, making it one of Austin's most sought-after new construction places to live. Bridget, thank you so much for watching. And if you've gotten this far into the video, just don't forget I'm a realtor here in the Austin area with DMTX Realty Group and Keller Williams. I know that there's a ton of options out there, and as someone who's also relocated to the Austin area, I know how important it is to have a trusted resource that you can go to. So if you're considering possibly moving out to the Austin area or investing out here, feel free to join my Austin newsletter. The link is down in the description below. You could also schedule a buyer or seller consultation. I have a link for that also in my description down below. Just remember, I'm a resource for you guys. So if you need help navigating the new construction process or build process here in Austin, just reach out. I'm just a phone call or email away.